Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris Azizi bin Muhammad Faizal. I choose Housekeeping and Physical Arrangement for my subject, Occupational Safety and Health in Industry and Shipyard Operation. This is objective. Hazard and risk deter poor housekeeping. Next is 5S, which is short, stand in order, shine, standardize, sustain. And lastly is good housekeeping practice. Definition: ensure the building, plant, equipment and machinery are properly maintained and are in good and clean conditions. Ensure the arrangement of the plant, equipments and material are in the proper order and pose no occupational safety and health risks. Hazard and risks due to poor housekeeping. Unsafe condition. Among the situations that can cause accidents: slippery floor, oily, wet, dusty, hand tools, materials and electric cable in walkways, improper physical arrangement of machinery, crowded work areas, balance or waste material on the work floor. Types of accidents: fall resulting from stepping on material or equipment, slip and falls, collision with materials of machinery, slipping over equipment or material, fire incidents. Causes of accident: equipment that are not properly kept, improper arrangement of machinery, dark working conditions, no designated place for waste disposal, insufficient ventilation, limited space between machine and worker, no designated area for finished or semi-finished product. 5S. Short. First, decide what is necessary and what is unnecessary. To find out unnecessary items, you should not only check the floor but also shelf, lockers, storehouse, stair, roof, notice board. Put a red tag and unnecessary items and keep them in a spread area. Discard or throw those items which have not been used in the past 1 year. Things used once in 6 to 12 months may be stored at a distance from workstation. Things used more than once a month should be available at the central point in the workplace. Things used hourly, every day, once a week should be near the workstation or may be worn by a cap in the pocket of your worker there. Set in order. If necessary, reassign space, rack, cabinets. Decide the right place for everything. Put all material and equipment at the place allocated to them with proper label or signalization. Use floor plan marking to define working area, pad, entrance, safety equipment, cart or trolley locations. Use standard color coding for pipeline for steam, water, gas, drainage. Use display cautions, message, instruction at proper place at proper height and writing clearly. Shine. Divide the total area in zones and allocate responsibility for cleaning for each zone. Decide on cleaning point, order of cleaning, type of cleaning, cleaning aid required. Display cleaning schedule. During cleaning, look for defective condition, loose, bolt, vibrations, excessive sound, high temperature, fallen tools, and solve the problem. Allocate space for storage of cleaning aids and consumable for cleaning. Standardize. Document procedure and guideline for sorting. Set in order and shine. Make a checklist for each section and train your people in using them. Carry out periodic evaluation by using an above checklist. Use visual management to act quickly, for example, building or using. Open and shut directional labels on switch. Temperature and safety labels. Zone label and measuring meter. Put transparency control. Make transparent cover of drawer. Put inspection window in the meter cover. Use location map with emergency exit, firefighting equipment. Sustain. Create awareness and publicize the system. For example, develop 5S news, 5S poster, 5S slogan, 5S Day. Create a structure of how and when 5S activity will be implemented. Formulate guidelines for audit, evaluation of 5S implementation. Provide management support by providing resources and leadership. Reward and recognize best performers. Good housekeeping practice. Measure for improvement. Formulate a policy for good housekeeping and physical arrangement. Ensure early planning even before starting operation. Accountability on the head of department. Include responsibility of housekeeping in the individual's job description. Provide sufficient facility for material or equipment storage. Provide training. Formulate safe operating procedure. Formulate housekeeping rules. Conduct regular workplace inspection. Prepare housekeeping schedule or program. Strategically position warning signage. Conclusion. Housekeeping and physical arrangement of the workplace is very important in the prevention of accident and diseases. FMA 1967 and OSHA 1994 outline the related statutory requirement. Other than planning and scheduling, various other factors need to be considered in the prevention of accident and diseases. Various measures for improvement have also been discussed. Thank you for listening.